Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. This week we're looking at something called Mylio photos. We're continuing to take a look for something that will use quote-unquote AI to auto-tag photos. Frankly, the best thing I have so far, and it's not fabulous, is Google Photos itself. I just have too many photos unless I'm going to buy a big and expensive Google Drive setup. And frankly, I'm not that enthused about Google as it is anyway, never mind giving them even more of my data. But that's the closest thing to being able to search without having to hand edit the tags on every photo, which is not really practical for me since I have 50,000 digital photos. No exaggeration, it's 48,000 something is the specific number, with more of those coming every day. And then on top of that, I've started to really scan in my old film work, and you'll be seeing more of that soon. So I'm looking for something that I can use on my own devices, which Mylio promises to do. We looked at a couple of other ones in the previous weeks. You can see those also here on Perfecting Equilibrium, and they've all been terrible to you cannot be serious. So let's give this a shot and see what it does. So this is literally, I've just downloaded and installed this thing. We'll take a look at setting it up. Okay, add the pictures folder on your computer. Let's try, it's got some interesting choices here. Add photos from your Facebook account, your Instagram, Flickr. Choose an existing folder for import. Okay, let's try selecting a folder and see what happens there. So I'm going to give it something that has a few photos in it, in the interest of this not having a 2-hour timeout in the middle of this video. So let's go here and let us go to my stock photos, which has a couple dozen photos in it. Let's see. How do I want to get these photos into Mylio Photos? Link them. Yeah, let's not move anything. Sounds good. I'm done adding media for now. And it's cranking away. I don't know if you can hear the hard drives spinning. I've got multiple hard drives in this machine, and so it's flogging away. I like that the screen flashes back and forth, but nothing new appears on it. It's like it's almost adding them, but again. I'm pleased that I didn't go to the folder with 50,000 photos in it. Well, I'm going to pause this for a little bit here, and I'll tell you how long it goes when it's done. Well, that ended up taking only about 2-3 more minutes. Not too bad. There were more photos in there than I realized when I did a properties on that folder. There were 690 photos in there, so not bad at all. I don't know why it still says 0 files added. So as you can see, lots of photos in here. Anyway, let's see if we can. Well, let's you know, it's almost 5 minutes here, and I've been trying to keep these videos to 5 minutes. So we'll have another look next week when we will see how the keywording did. We'll have a part 2 on Mylio photos, but so far that was not bad. Well, I hope you are having a wonderful week. We're about to get some actual fall here in Texas, and that being it will be under 90. So Have a great week. Fiola out.